I'm going to plant one of my favorite flowers for this time of year, a viola. They are really good in the cold weather. I bought these back in January and I put some outside in pots and they've been fine through the freezes. They perk back up. A few I've had in the house to keep me company, and I put them outside sometimes for a little bit just to let them cool down. And they're just lovely to have around in the house in the winter to cheer you up. And they have a wonderful fragrance. It's really mild. It's not cloying. This one, yeah, it's a little worse for wear because it's been in the house for a while, and they can get a little pot bound. So one thing you do is just loosen the roots so they'll be happier and find their way in the soil to their new space. Hopefully you've purchased them at a local farmer or a nursery or a farmer's market to support local agriculture. And the ones from the big box stores may have more disease as well. So place them in the ground. Hopefully you've amended your soil a little with some kind of organic amending product, or you can get compost. You may make your own compost and then water them well. This species is what I think of as the true viola, but the whole genus is viola. It has pansies and violets in it as well. This one people also call Johnny Jump-Ups. It's also called heartsease because it's supposed to heal emotional distress. And I do find it really calming. You might remember in Little Women, Beth wanted to make a pair of slippers for Mr. Lawrence next door. And she wanted to put heartsease on there, and he said that was his favorite flower, so she embroidered the slippers, and I'm thinking she probably did needlepoint. But it is just such a cheerful flower at this time of year to perk up your spirits. They are edible. You don't want to eat a lot, but they're beautiful on your salad or on a dessert or in ice cubes. So you would want to wait till the new buds came because perhaps they were sprayed with pesticides, and they self-seed. So next year you'll have organic ones that you have not sprayed, and they will be fine for consumption. When they do self-seed, sometimes they'll revert back to their native wild genetic form. So they might be what's called a tricolor viola. They may have a purple, yellow, and white. So you're going to get a surprise next year. And again, they do fine in pots if you don't have a garden plot. So gardening is just so good for our well-being. It's good to get out in the dirt. It's good to get outside. It's a nice way to calm down and ease stress.